We're talking about personal injury cases here in Texas. A lot of people are not aware that there's different kinds of damages that can be awarded in personal injury cases. A lot of people are aware that if you sue, you're in a car accident or some other injury, it's someone else's fault, you can sue and get money. But a lot of people don't know there's three different kinds of damages that can be awarded depending upon the facts of the case. Most commonly, compensatory damages. So compensatory damages are meant to do just what the name says, compensate you for your loss. The law says that you're entitled to damages to make you whole. So as you were before the accident, pay you for the medical expenses that you did not otherwise have to incur because of the accident, pay you for your lost wages because you couldn't work because you were off because of the accident. Compensatory, they will compensate you for your losses to make you whole. The second category of damages is known as pain and suffering damages. And so pain and suffering will, they also compensate you for losses, but the difference with pain and suffering is it's a little bit more nebulous to actually figure out. I mean, they're paying like, oh, I was in pain during this time period. Like the more egregious the injury, the more egregious the pain and suffering damages, obviously. So you have experts or doctors that can testify. A lot of times the medical records, a lot of times tell the story themselves. It's kind of a known with plaintiffs and defendants that, and they just know that, okay, well, a jury will award pain and suffering, right? It's not something that's always awarded, right? If you just some headaches or something, there might be some pain and suffering, kind of correlated with the severity of the injury is pain and suffering. And so how much did I suffer because of this accident? I have mental anguish, I have PTSD, I can't even drive right now. And, I was in pain for so long that now I have a constant pain at any time I sit down for more than a certain period of time. So the third area of damages or type of damages would be punitive damages. Those are meant to punish, just like they said, they're punitive. And so those are the more egregious situation where it's like, okay, they really should have known better. It was gross negligence. Like, they just did something very, very wrong, very bad that could have been avoided. Perhaps it's something that's intentional, reckless, basically, right? It's not just simple negligence, but it's something reckless, and they're awarding punitive damages to punish the person for their bad behavior in the accident. So those are the three types of damages, and I'm an attorney here in Texas focusing on bankruptcy and personal injury. Feel free to call me for a free consultation if you think you might need an attorney for either one of those areas.